Welcome to the Smart Attendance Reporting System at Bangabandhu Digital University. It's a very simple system, an Android app. Please note that this app is not currently available at Google Play Store, so you have to download it from your Google Classroom. Now let's see how it works, and before that we have to see how we can install it. Now go to your downloaded file, that is attendance2report.apk. So click on that particular file for installation. Click now install. It will take few seconds, and during the installation there will be several warnings. Just click install anyway. It will take few more seconds and then the installation will be completed. But still it will show another message to send report to Google. As it is not in the Play Store, you have to continue. Click open, but before that you see there is another warning. Don't send that one to Google, and then click open. Now the app is open for the first time. You have to log in using your university provided email address. Ordinary Gmail account or any other email account will not work here. So click that Google account, and you know that our university provided you the email address that is powered by Google. So click on of them. In my case it is akhtar@edu.bdu.ac.bd. Now you have to select your class ID. The class ID is a complicated one and it is encoded. You don't have to remember this one, but you have to copy it from your Google Classroom once per semester. Once per semester. That is a big one. Then subject code. You have to enter the subject code, for instance ICTE 4111. You don't have to worry about the start column or these options. And the class ID you have to do it once per semester, but the subject code you have to do every time you want to report an attendance. Now click done, allow, and then there are some directions about how to use it. Click OK. Now this is the initial screen, but before going to the initial screen and scanning your ID card, we want to check the settings. Go to settings and then click other settings. Now in the other settings there are 5 options you have to turn on. Those are the beep sound, vibrate, timestamp, user, and geolocation. When you will click geolocation, it will ask for some permissions. You just click allow only while using the app. Now additional 3 columns. No need to write anything here. And you see also you have switched to your university email account. That's all in the other settings. However, you can check the language. There are 2 languages available here, 2 language options. One is English and one is Bangla. Go back to the language section and click English. These all settings you have to do once per semester. Now, whenever you will attend the course ICT 4111 or ICT 4113 or IoT 4111, what you have to do, go to your main settings and then you have to change this one. In this case, for this particular case, I choose ICT 4111. Click done. Now we'll see how we can scan. So go back to the initial screen and scan our ID card. You see there is in the screen in my computer, it is showing that the scan is done. You will be attending several courses per day. So you want to do another course, for instance ICT 4141. You don't have to go other settings. It is only once per semester. But in the main setting, you have to change the subject code, that is ICT 4141. Now click done. Now do your scanning once again. You see your attendance is recorded. In some cases, for instance, you don't have your ID card available. So what you will do? You can do it manually. In the initial screen, you will see a pen type things. Just click on that and write your student ID without any dot sign. 1902, for instance, 001. This is on our student ID. Please write that one and then click OK. You will see another attendance will be reported, 1902-001, and then his university email address, geolocations. So this is very simple app. You have to scan your ID card or you can manually write your student numbers. This app is very useful for your attendance in both face-to-face and online class. So you don't have to worry about the other settings every time in the class, only once per semester. But every time you want to report an attendance, you have to go to your main settings. Then you have to change only this subject code. No blank space is allowed here. Please also note that attendance system will take input only when course teacher enables it during the class. Otherwise, it will show error like permission denied, use email, or wait for teacher's call. That's all for today. Thank you.